guys, would you like to see the machine in action that can take all of this overgrown mess that's here and turn it into this? Well guys, if you're interested, it's called a Forestry Mulcher. And guys, also in the video, it includes some really cool drone footage of this machine in action. So I hope you'll enjoy checking this out. Well guys, that was some pretty cool stuff with up close footage. So now we'll transition and we're gonna get some good drone footage. Here we go. Well guys, as you can see, he's already got a big dent put in this. He's already worked just a little over a couple of hours, and he's been able to get this much cleared, and he's digging a path up through there, and the whole all the way to the dark green pines is where he's working to clear this field. And then he's going to head off down the hill this way. So guys, remember here at Project One, you never know what kind of videos you're going to see. Hope you guys enjoy the variety. If you will, please be sure and hit the like, subscribe, and share. Guys, always remember, here at Project Next One, there's always one more. So guys, keep a lookout for another video coming soon. By the way, we're coming up on Christmas. Hope you guys have the best holiday, and wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you again real soon. Take care.